Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply change language and region or location in Chrome Beta. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome Beta. So I'm going to simply click on my Chrome Beta right here. Then after click on your Chrome Beta, it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on this particular profile icon. So click on that and it's going to load up to your details. Then scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on more settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Then go to other settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on select language and region. They take you right here. First thing for, click on your display language right here. Then from here, you can simply choose any of your preferred language right here. Once you select a language, you can confirm. Lastly, come down below right here, click on current region. Then from here, from the drop down right here, select your country. Once you select your country, you can confirm. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to easily change your language and your region in Chrome Beta. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.